Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these super cute, quick little tiny crochet butterflies. All you need is some scrap yarn and the corresponding hook size, and perhaps a slightly different colour of scrap yarn for the body, just for a bit of emphasis. They're super sweet, super easy, so let's begin. To begin, we're going to start with a magic ring. Now, if you absolutely detest using the magic ring, you can substitute this out for chaining 2 and then working all your stitches into that very first chain that you made. But I'm going to be using a magic ring, and from my magic ring, I'm going to go ahead and chain 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 4 wings for the butterfly are formed in one go, and all the stitches are going to be worked into your magic ring. So work a double treble, which is yarn over 3 times. Before you go into the stitch, you'll already have 4 loops on your hook. Go into the magic ring, yarn over at the back and pull through. You'll have 5 loops on your hook, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through those final 2. It creates a very long, tall stitch. Now work 2 trebles into the ring. A treble is yarn over twice, so you'll have 3 loops on your hook. Go into the magic ring, yarn over, draw back through a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That is your treble. That's 1. We need 2 of those. So again, yarn over twice, go into that magic ring, pull back your loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2 as you work off those loops. Double crochet into the magic ring, so just yarn over once, chain 2, and then slip stitch into the magic ring. That's the first section of wing formed. Chain 2, work 2 double crochets into that central ring. That's 1, that's 2. Work a treble, so yarn over twice before you go into the ring. Chain 3, and then slip stitch into your magic ring. Chain 3. We're now going to form the 3rd wing section. Work a treble, so yarn over twice. Two double crochet stitches. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the magic ring. That's your 3rd little wing section complete. Chain 2, double crochet, then we're going to work 2 trebles, which is yarn over twice before you go into the magic ring. That's 1, 2. Then we're going to work a double treble, which is yarn over 3 times before you go into that central ring. chain 5, then slip stitch back into the magic ring. Now chain 1 and snip your yarn, leaving a decent length of tail. This tail you can either weave in or leave at the back to sew your little butterfly to whatever project you're making it for. Then pull your yarn through that loop, pull it tight, and then we're going to close up the magic ring at the back. Then bring that yarn from your chain 1 and we're going to knot it with the tail from the magic ring. Don't worry if you've got a tiny little hole still there. There's a lot of stitches going in there. Just knot it. So I'm just tying it once and I'm going to do a double knot here. So as I say, you can leave these tails if you want to use them to sew your butterfly to another project, or you can go ahead and weave them in. Now grab some contrasting yarn and we're going to form the little butterfly body. So with the wings, the larger sections that you've made facing upwards and these 2 smaller ones down at the bottom, lay your yarn facing upwards in the direction of the bigger wings. These will eventually form the little antennae. Then you want to wrap your yarn in between those 2 bottom wings. Bring it around the back, come down in between the 2 big wings. So I've wrapped it around once and wrap it round another time. So you have both tails of that contrasting yarn at the top. Now if you want to wrap it a 3rd time, you can, it's total personal preference, but I'm just going to go ahead with my 2 little wraps here, 2 strands of yarn, and I'm going to knot these 2 together at the top. As you knot it, it will bunch up the body and make the wings more crunched together and with a slight curved cuteness. Once you have done 1 knot, secure it with a 2nd knot. Then, just to pronounce the head of the butterfly a little bit more, 1 more knot tends to do the trick. Then you want to pull that knot to the top, just give it a bit of a pull up, scooch those little yarn strands round so that it's more in line with these 2 top wings. Then you can snip these 2 ends to create your little antennae. So leave little lengths to become the antennae. And your little tiny butterfly is complete.